April 2015. I pruned it a little bit this morning just so that it's more manageable. There's airflow. You have a better berries this year. That's a red currant, and this one over here is white currant. I have them all in the same place. It's April 25th. This is our currant bush plants. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit, added some mulch in there and killed some of the grass, and pruned it a little bit and made it a little bit neater. See, some of those things will eventually turn into red currants. You can see we have plenty of them. And then on the other side over here is the white currants. So that's what it looks like on April 25th. So our currant bush is doing well, as you can see in these sections. These are eventually going to be turning to fruits. As you can see, there's some small ones there now. But these are very prolific bush. They give a lot of berries. And on the other side over here, it's a white currant. The leaves are a little bit different. It's a little bit darker. Same size fruits and berries, but white instead of red, as you can see later on. But this one is over here. It's very prolific. I have a lot of fruits on these. There are some few ones over here. This is kind of a small bush right now, but we'll get a little bit, but not too much. So this is how it looks at May 3rd, 2015. Okay, let's see how our currant bushes are doing. This is the red currants. As you can see, we've got lots of berries all over there. It's June 2nd right now. These are eventually gonna turn really like cherry red. And here, there's some on that side that's low to the ground. But generally, this is a pretty healthy bush. And on this side of a smaller one, this is where we have the white currants. It's got a bigger leaves. This is a fairly young bush, maybe about 2 years old. So I don't see any berries, so it might not bear fruits this year. It's June 21st, first day of summer, Father's Day. They are turning red, and once they're deep red, we can start to harvest them. Okay, it's June 24th in the afternoon, and I came out here today to find that currants are pretty much all ready. Look at that one. They're so bright red. Look at these. These are beautiful. Look at that. It's so red. This currant over here is beautiful. Look how deep red those are. Look at all these.